Hello, everyone. Welcome to Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and once again, I am here with another commission update from myleadgensecret, MLGS, I like to call it. And as you can see in the commission section, I just made a commission yesterday, a $5 commission, and I promoted myleadgensecret itself. That's why the commission is showing over here, and I'm not taking you to ClickBank or anywhere. Although I do promote ClickBank and Warrior Plus offers in my other account, but we're not talking about ClickBank and Warrior Plus. I'm here to talk about myleadgensecret and how it is beneficial for newbie to promote myleadgensecret itself through the myleadgensecret mailing system. Why I say that is because, as you can see, this person signed up through my affiliate link of myleadgensecret sign up form, and I made $5 commission. And I'm going to keep getting these $5 as long as this person stays in my downline and doesn't deactivate their account. Now, the best part is that this is my second account, and I myself signed up for this account through the affiliate link of my first account. Now, as you can see, the same person is reflecting in the commission section of my first account, only here it's $4, not $5, because this is the first level of downline. So I get $4 in this account. So every time I make money on my second account, I am making money here in my first account as well, because both accounts are linked. And this keeps on happening. Like here, as you can see, these two accounts are also sign-ups from my second account, where I'm making $4 on both from both accounts, both sign-ups. And this RC, recurring commission of $4, is from a person who was signed up by someone in my downline, in my affiliate I don't know, I can't think of the word, through my network, someone who signed up through me, and then he had someone signed up through his through their affiliate link. So this is the recurring commission of this account, the original account. But these three here, and this, the latest one, are from my second account. See right here? So whenever I make commission over here, I'm making commission over there because I link both of these accounts. And every month I will keep getting this commission. So what I'm trying to say here is that you can offer ClickBank and Warrior Plus offers as many times as you like. And I also do that, especially from my first account. I mostly use it for ClickBank and Warrior Plus offers. But this, the second account, I am purely using this to promote myleadgensecret because of this secret sauce that I just shared with you. So if you're new to this channel and you're wondering, what the hell is myleadgensecret? For you, I will be leaving a link in this video. You will see probably on the screen somewhere on the right side, I guess. And you can click that link and watch the entire series of myleadgensecret and my journey, how I had adopted this amazing system and how I'm making money through myleadgensecret. So with that, I will be ending the video. If you like my content and if you want me to make more videos about myleadgensecret, please hit that like button, subscribe, and show your support. Thank you all. Take care of yourselves and others around you. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.